Alrighty, so just gonna make a quick video lesson, review a couple trades, one loss, one win. Um, Earlier today, I made a video lesson about how slow it was and just how it's time to sit on your hands, observe, learn. There was a couple decent plays. One of them that I completely missed, never even showed up on my scanner. Bblg, just a great low float, low market cap play. Um, Not much overhead resistance. I thought this thing was going to keep going. I didn't trade this one, but while this was holding up, I thought if it could get a quick move up here, it could really squeeze some shorts up out. But too much overhead resistance from earlier, and it just couldn't do it. Just got bagged, and here we got that crack at the end of the day. So not even a great like it's a nice spiker. It's a great spiker, but honestly, I don't see much of a play. I don't really know where I would enter if I were to even be watching this. I would make a plan probably for open price play or pre-market high break. It just did it too quick, and the way it was moving, getting halted back and forth is, in hindsight, not even mad that I missed this. Was definitely a great $2, $2.50 play, but it is what it is. Nothing crazy good here. What I thought was a perfect play, which ended up being a perfect play, was Reli. Even tweeted my plans out on this, which was just a VWAP play, failing to break down, looking for a test of the eights, maybe nine, and that plan worked out perfectly. I left a little bit on the table, but not bad at the end of the day. Left about 5%. No, I did. It was exactly 5%. So here we go. You got this beautiful. I'm gonna start with the daily. So this thing's heavily shorted. First, we got this beautiful uptrend, nice little breakout here. But um, I was on Twitter just recently, and I was just a couple people. Not a couple. I got a bunch of people in the trading community that I follow. But one of the people tweeted a list of the most shorted stocks in the market, and the very first one was Reli, and that kept it on my radar for potential bounce to retest the eights or nines after this aggressive dip here the past couple days. And that's exactly what happened. We got a nice perk in the morning showing a momentum change, a reversal of momentum here. Here we go. Just 2 days of just fade, maybe even 3 days you can consider, just besides that morning spike here, not much. And here we finally get a morning spike. And what happens is it ends up holding up, it fails to break down. You get a nice double top, a little fake out here even. Shorts get excited a bit, maybe adding to this. Um, but here near late day, it settles right around VWAP and $7 a share. Key whole dollar, half dollar number. VWAP holding. This is just the pattern exactly as well. Low market cap, low float, doing decent volume. I forgot if it was rotating it at this point already or not, but regardless, it was definitely close. And then my only problem was I didn't add into this. Right into the bottom here, 701, got 600 shares, and my plan was just for $1, even though I think it could get to do $2, but just in case, because of this market, I'm always talking about taking your quick snipes. I'd be an idiot to not do it myself. So here we go. We got this nice little perk, which I saw as confirmation. And we just held through here, consolidated a little bit, slowly got higher lows, and it's just way up to 8. I got out here, and then it just made a quick little move higher. So could have been more patient. I did have a stop limit order or an advance order. My stop was at like 750 at the point when it was getting close to 8. But what I meant to say was I had a limit order just sitting at 801 to take my quick dollar, and it got executed. I was at breakfast, and it is what it is. Missed out on 30 cents, not a whole ton, but nearly a couple $100. So it's all good. But yeah, so really the lesson today was just patience, because I could have just nailed this and been done, but I had Dwac, which I was just babysitting this whole day pretty much. Was getting in around this area. It was at 57 was my price, but I forgot the exact time. It was somewhere in this area. But we get this dip, high or low, very choppy, not enough volume for the float today. But it's got that release like I talked about, I mentioned. Actually, the reason I cut that last video lesson was because of this. I want to give this a bunch of attention. Ended up being pointless. Got a quick little fake out. Was up $3 a share. Then it just tanked and ended up getting stopped out at 56. Small loss. It was only like 25 bucks. I only had a starter. I wanted to just add more around the 62 breakout and then the 64 area. Size in there if we keep getting that upward momentum, but we did not get it. So we'll see what happens later on. It is still kind of holding up. Didn't give up all its gains. Still green on the day. But yeah, so that just kind of sucked to have to take that pointless little loss. But really, just Reli got me really pumped because called it from the morning, and I even said I would be patient with this as it was right before it was tanking here. And then yeah, it was really just a patience game today, waiting for the right setup at the right time. And in this case, it worked out beautifully. Over 10% spike. Um, yeah, not much to it. All you need is one play, and it'll satisfy what you need. Yeah, so I don't know what else there really is. Let me go through. Oh, Lixt. That ended up making a move. But I don't care. It's okay. This is exhausting. I don't like that price action. But I'm pretty sure it's right on the watch list. No? Oh, right there. Yeah. Decent multi-day bounce. Not exactly what I would have liked, but part of that is probably due to how much it was up. Would have liked it to be up more, but still following the pattern, even though the volume was much lighter and was very choppy and a disgusting headache of a play if I were to be in. But yeah, that's that. ABCT stuff. Just want to take a quick view. This one never did it. This is a good potential multi-day bounce. Yeah. So pretty quiet day. If it wasn't for RELI, all I would have is a $25 loss today. So I finish up close to 600. Um, but yeah, we'll keep an eye on Dwac. Reli could also be another play. It could be a red to green move tomorrow to get one last squeeze out. But I'm done. Like that I'm good off that. So took my quick move. That's all you need. So I'm not gonna start rambling, just repeating myself. Be patient. Market is a little iffy right now. All you need is one play. If you need to, size down or don't even trade. Just watch. Get used to this market. Adapt to what's going on. Won't be like this forever. So when markets heat back up, we'll get some beautiful supernovas. Start sizing up some more. But right now, take your quick gains. Singles add up, and yeah, just leave it at that.